Alright, just installed it last night. We're in a camper. We put it on a slide so that we can have more access back there. We had to add an outlet. So we added an outlet. It has buttons here. There's power, timer, fire, which has 1, 4, 3, 2, 1 levels, but the flame does not turn off unless the whole thing is off. I like it at 1. It's a little cozier, less red. And then the temperature goes by 5s. There's high, low, high, off. And then the temperature, I think you need just the remote for. It goes by 5s. So 95, and after you top out, it goes 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 95, and then I'll start back over. So we've been keeping it at 95 because it's snowing out right now. There is a fan, so I'm going to make sure that the fan is on. It's on low now. Now it's on high. So we now have high temperature, low firelight, and it's on. And then this turns everything off. It has a vent for a little bit that keeps blowing. You can hear it. Then eventually it turns off. Should just be a couple seconds. Let's see. We've had it on all day, maybe it takes longer. It's kind of blowing cool air out. Oh, there we go. So about 20 seconds to turn off after being on all day on high. Let's see if it sets same temperature settings. On high, go down, there we go. On high at 95, on what level? 1. So it remembers your settings as well, which is great. I didn't know what these were. These might be the sensor. Let's see. There's something here. Oh, that's hot. So this is the only part that's hot. This here almost feels like snow. It's pretty cold. And up here, almost room temperature. It feels like it might be like a metal bowl kind of temperature. But we haven't really tested the safety features. It's pretty hot right here. I don't imagine, let's see, what am I, about 6 inches away. It's pretty hot. By my foot, pretty hot. You can feel immediate heat about a yard away. Let's see. I can still feel it here. So I'm about 6 feet away and I can still feel it. So it's been keeping us nice and toasty, a lot better than a space heater. So there you have it.